For another trading recap. So as I said before, if I took a trade today, I would upload a video. So let's talk about today's trade. As you can see, I took a trade. So let's talk about today's trade. So the bias for the day was bearish, because so here we had a bullish Asian session. We also had a bullish London session, but why I was bearish? So on the 4 hour failure gap, on the 4 hour time frame, we had this 4 hour bearish failure gap, a big one. On the daily time frame, we disrespected this daily bullish failure gap, and today we were retesting the inverse of the gap. So for the day, I was very bearish because of this gap. I would, after this inverse of the gap, I would expect a bearish retest here, and after the retest, I expect a bearish reaction. On the 1 hour, we also have some bearish PD arrays. So here we have this big bearish. So we have here a big 1 hour bearish early gap. On the 1 hour here, we have this 1 hour inverse early gap. So on the London session, we created this bearish early gap, and at the market open, we just inverted the gap. So again, we had this inverse early gap. Now it was a bullish early gap. Now it's a bearish early gap, and we retested here. So again, another bearish PD array that I was expecting to see mitigated, and then I would try to find shorts. On the 15 minutes, we have also this 15-minute inverse early gap. Now it's a bearish early gap. Here the price held, but then it just inverted the gap. So another bearish PD array, and on the 5 minutes we also had this other bearish PD array. We reacted in a very bearish way at this 5 minutes bearish early gap. As you can see here, we had inverted these bearish PD arrays. So here we had a bullish inverse early gap now, but then we had these bearish mitigation and we lost again this gap. So here I was even more bearish after all those reactions in a bearish way. That was very simple. We had here this bearish reaction. So the plan was simple. We had this bullish early gap. If we had a candle closure below this gap, I would want to take short. So that was what we had here. We had this inverse early gap. Then I just entered here at the retest. As you can see, I had my entry here, and then I had my TP1 here and my full TP at the London low here. So as you can see, I entered the trade, then the price reacted right after, and then gone to my TP1. But unfortunately, when the price hit my TP1, I was not at my computer. I just gone at a place in my house. I was not in my bedroom, so I did not saw the price hitting the TP1. And when I got back to my bedroom, we were I think here, and I just put my entry at least at stop loss, my stop loss at entry, so I would risk 0. So it was a bit unfortunate. Then I put my stop loss, as I said here, then the price gone to my stop loss, and now as you can see, it's reacting in a very bearish way. So it was a bit unfortunate that I was not here when the price hit my TP1, but still the vision was good. I entered in a very good place. The bias was very good. So the price on the New York market open, we just manipulated. No, first we manipulated here, those highs, as you can see here. Then we gone way lower, we swept some levels, and then we just had this bullish formation just to mitigate another bearish PD array to have a bearish continuation again. So it was a bit unfortunate that I was not here to close half of the position, but it is what it is. The bias was good, the vision was good, my entry was also good. Here I did not set, but I entered with only 0.2%. I was only risking 0.2%. As I said, we are in holiday season, so the liquidity is not the best. So I think the best is if I take a trade, I risk a little bit, not 0.5, not even 1%, only 0.2, 0.3. So today I was just risking 0.2% of the account, Here I had 0.2% in profit. Here it was 0.4% in profit, but it is what it is. I did not took profits here. I was not here. So I think that I've already said what I wanted to. So if you like the video, like and subscribe. And tomorrow, no, I don't think that tomorrow I'll take a trade. I will not even, I think, be in my computer. Next days I will certainly not trade, so I'll not upload a video. So probably I'll just come back Sunday to do my weekly analysis on gold. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and see you Sunday.